Welcome to this lesson on the difference formula for sine. In trigonometry, we often encounter angles that are not the standard 30, 45, or 60 degrees. Today, we will learn how to expand the sign of the difference between two angles, A and B. A common question arises when we need to find the exact value of an angle like 15 degrees. You might think we can simply take the sine of 45 and subtract the sine of 30. However, this is a major pitfall. Sine functions are not linear, so sine of a minus b is definitely not equal to sine of a minus sine of b. We need a special formula for this. Here is the correct formula for expanding sine of a minus b. It reads as sine a times cosine b minus cosine a times sine b. Notice how the two angles, a and b, are mixed with both sine and cosine functions in each term. Let's break down the characteristics to make it easier to remember. First, notice the mixed terms. Sine and cosine work together in pairs. Second, look at the sign. The minus sign inside the brackets corresponds to a minus sign in the expansion. And finally, remember that for sine, the order matters. The term sine a cosine b must come first. Geometrically, you can visualize this on a circle. If we have a large angle A and a smaller angle B, the difference, a minus b, represents the angle between them. The formula we just learned allows us to calculate the sine value, or the height, of this resulting difference angle using the coordinates of the original angles. Now, let's solve a real problem. We want to find the exact value of sine of 15 degrees. Since 15 is not a standard angle on our unit circle, we can rewrite it as 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Both 45 and 30 are standard angles that we know the values for. Substituting these values into our formula gives us sine 45 times cosine 30 minus cosine 45 times sine 30. Replacing these with their numerical values, we get root 2 over 2 times root 3 over 2 minus root 2 over 2 times 1/2. Performing the multiplication and subtraction, we arrive at the final exact answer. Root 6 minus root 2, all divided by 4. To wrap up, remember the key formula. Sine of a minus b equals sine a cosine b minus cosine a sine b. Keep the pattern, sine cosine minus cosine sine, in mind, and ensure you never simply subtract the sine values of the individual angles. This tool is powerful for finding exact values without a calculator.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.